Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Discord guild. Start by creating a new server or converting an existing one. If your server is eligible, an option to convert will appear in an in-app pop-up. Tap check it out to proceed. First select the games your guild will play. You can add or change games later. Then choose the playstyle of your guild from very casual, hardcore, or very hardcore. Optionally, define the type of demographic you want to recruit, setting criteria like ranks and ages. Then describe your guild's focus and select at least 3 traits that define it. Write a compelling discovery description explaining why people should join and what your guild offers. Now create a guild tag up to 4 characters and badge, customizing the badge color and design. Further customize by choosing a banner color scheme and style, such as night sky or castle. Set up an application with questions for new members, ensuring at least 1 question is included. Finally, sign the charter and your guild is created. Don't forget to show off your guild tag. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.